There's been a viral buzz all over social media about a weird yet fascinating trend called Nano Banana. And if you've been wondering how people are generating those stunning AI images everyone's sharing, this episode is going to show you exactly how it's done. But that's not all. Alongside Nano Banana, Google also rolled out one of the most impressive upgrades to its browser, AI Mode in Chrome. This new feature takes your everyday searches and turns them into something way smarter, cleaner, and a lot more reliable. By the end of this guide, you'll know how to create your own Nano Banana images step by step, how to activate and maximize AI mode on Google Chrome, and we'll even explore the different Google AI subscription plans so you know which one fits your creative journey best. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our free AI resources so you can also become a part of our growing community and be an AI legend. So now let's get into it. So let's start with Nano Banana. This has been trending because it's more than just a meme. It's Google's way of showcasing their new image generation technology. To access it, you'll need to open Gemini AI, which is Google's official AI platform. Once you're inside, look for the Tools icon in the top menu. Clicking this will open a drop-down where you'll see a variety of experimental features. What you want to do is to select Create Images with the banana icon because that is where the Nano Banana engine lives. Now the way it works is simple but incredibly fun. You'll paste the prompt I'll include in the pinned comment below this video, and then you'll upload an image you want to integrate by clicking on the plus icon. Once you've done that, just hit enter and Nano Banana will process everything and generate your final artwork. Because this tool uses advanced generative AI built on Google's systems, the results are surprisingly realistic and creative at the same time. It's why people are sharing them everywhere, from profile pics, to memes, to even professional edits. Whether you're experimenting as a student, trying to go viral on social media, or just curious about the power of AI art, Nano Banana is a perfect entry point. But while Nano Banana is all about visuals, Google's other big update is all about how we browse the web. This is where AI mode in Google Chrome comes in. Normally, when you search for something in your browser, you get the usual wall of results. Multiple tabs, hundreds of links, ads scattered in between, and you're left sorting through everything. With AI mode, that whole experience gets upgraded. Here's how to see it in action. First, search for anything as you normally would. Let's say best laptops for students. Once the results load, look for the new tab that says AI mode and click on it. Suddenly, the entire search canvas transforms. Instead of being overwhelmed by scattered results, you'll now have an interactive AI assistant right inside Chrome. This assistant allows you to ask follow-up questions directly on your results, filter information instantly, and even generate summaries. For example, you can say, which of these laptops has the best battery life for under $800? And it will pull only the relevant details from trusted sources. The real game changer is that you don't need to open multiple tabs anymore. It streamlines everything into one smart conversation. And because it's powered by Google's verification system, the answers are more reliable. The AI is programmed to pull only from valid, credible resources, which means misinformation gets filtered out automatically. Whether you're a student researching papers, a professional gathering data, or just someone browsing for personal needs, this saves time and gives peace of mind knowing that your information is trustworthy. Now let's talk about something equally important, the plans. Because if you want to unlock the full potential of Nano Banana, Flow video generation, Whisk for creative planning, and all the AI integrations like Gemini and Notebook LM, you'll want to understand the subscription tiers Google AI offers. Let's break them down one by one. The entry point is the Google AI Pro plan, which gives you 2 terabytes of storage for Google Photos, Drive, and Gmail. At 1,100 pesos or $20 per month, it's the most affordable way to access advanced AI features. You'll get Gemini 2.5 Pro, limited access to VO3 for video generation, Whisk with VO2, and 1,000 monthly AI credits. On top of that, Notebook LM gets higher limits, and Gemini integrates directly into Gmail, Docs, and even Google Meet, making productivity seamless. The next step up is the premium 5 terabyte plan, which is actually the recommended option. At 1,490 pesos or $27 per month, you get everything in the Pro plan but with more storage, up to 5 terabytes, plus the same integrations and 1,000 monthly AI credits. The value here is in scalability. You can share storage with up to 5 others, making it ideal for small teams or families. For those who need more space and heavier AI use, there's the premium 10 terabyte plan at 2,999 pesos or $54 per month. This essentially doubles your capacity compared to the 5 terabyte plan while keeping the same AI features. If you're a creator handling large video files or a professional managing extensive projects, this is a solid choice. But the crown jewel of the lineup is the Google AI Ultra plan, which comes with a staggering 30 terabytes of storage. Normally 13,900 pesos or $248 per month, it's currently available at a discounted price of 6,900 pesos or $123 per month for the first 3 months. What makes Ultra special isn't just the storage. It unlocks the highest access to all AI features. You get Gemini with 2.5 Deep Think, Flow with VO3 at the highest limits, Whisk without restrictions, and a massive 25,000 monthly AI credits. Notebook LM will also have its highest limit soon. On top of all that, you also get a YouTube Premium individual plan included. This is clearly tailored for power users, marketers, filmmakers, or teams running full AI-driven projects. If you want free credits and try out the whole AI workspace, you can use the link I'll paste down in the comments. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you'll be the first to know once we upload our next episode. And as promised, if you want to access our free AI resources, just check out the pinned comment down below. Let us know what you think about this episode in the comments, and I'll see you on our next video.